and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create any shaped frame that you want. I'm just going to select this image right here and I'm going to go to adjustments. I'm going to turn everything down. I'm also going to go to canvas and I'm going to make the background color white. Let's go back to adjustments. I'm actually going to up the contrast. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay. And then once you have that, you are going to simply right click, create compound clip, and you're going to place it on top of any videos that you want. I'm just going to find some flower videos and I'm just going to place that underneath. Now you can't see the video, but if you go back to basic, go to blend mode and choose the screen. Oh, whoops. Make sure you do it on the the photo on top. Then you'll have this really cute frame. If you want it to be longer, let's just undo it. I'm going to place it till the end. And I do need to add in another white background on it. Whoops. Like so, and then I can do that. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!